Department of Health and Allied Poltekkes Manado. In this video, I will discuss about fertility ranging from start, what weekly, where bacteria and and how bacteria. Okay, bacteria that I choose is Vibrio. Is one of the bacteria from Aeromonavrio found in the water Vibrio is gram-negative growth when coma says to 4 microns aerobic. Thank you for watching this video. My